In all the years that I've been here, what I've seen, that the reason that people choose us is not because our price is cheaper than everyone else's. We are far superseding in our professionalism above all of our competitors. And it doesn't matter if it's in McAllen, if it's in San Antonio, or anywhere in Texas, and I'm starting to believe anywhere in the nation, that most people, if they show up in our business, they show up late. And so we've made a commitment to show up on time or early, and then communicate well with our customers. This is exactly what's going to happen. So in our estimates, it's not drawn up on a napkin. It's very professional. So you can see an itemized scope, detailed scope of everything that's going to happen, and then the amount. Those are the things that sets us apart from every other company.
McAllen Valley Roofing is all about striving for excellence. It's about setting the bar high and going through the bumps and bruises and everything to get there, but eventually we'll get there.
The most important quality that I think that I bring to the company is continuing to bring talented employees to the company. That's something that I take a lot of pride in. And not only the talent, but also that they fit well within our current organization. It's like putting together a puzzle. You always want to make sure that you put the right pieces in place.
There's a real need. There is. For a contractor that people can trust. Say, here's my money, here's my life savings sometimes, and can you please take care of my home? People's home is their #1 investment. So what we want to do is protect that investment. I attribute our success to 2 things. One is the way we market ourselves. You know, people need to find us. And the second is being able to deliver what we promise.
What I truly believe that sets us apart beyond our professionalism and our talented employees is that we're extremely versatile in our work. Whether it's TPO, PVC, metal, silicone, tile, shingles, or any other roofing system we offer, I can honestly tell you that we know the specifications of each system like the back of our hand. And as a property owner, your main focus is to have a long-term solution without compromising the lowest cost, the longest warranty, and best suited for your building. And that's where we shine. We're not here to sell you something you don't need. We're here to provide you with a solution like if it was our own building, out of our own pocketbook. We are McAllen Valley Roofing, a roofer you can trust.